Brand new snowmobile. I sold in the showroom. I've been sitting at the dealer. Never sold. No gas in it. How'd you like to sit on that, Kim? With me. The old Kawasaki. My first snowmobile, only instead of an intruder, I had the Invader, the liquid cooled. I had a liquid cooled one, and my headlight went down and disappeared into the hood during the day. This is the fan cooled intruder. Brand new, never been sold or started up. Oh, they got signs in front of it. Look at this thing. 1972 Johnson. Wow, 1972 Johnson Challenger. That's pretty cool. How about this 1971 Motoski 650 Bullet? Got a 650 Hearth Red Baron engine in it. But cooler yet is this 82 Motoski Snow Pro. Man, look at that. '81 Skidoo, independent front suspension. That Motoski Bullet, that's pretty cool. That's pretty 1971. We got some nice snowmobiles in here. Look at this thing, man. What do we got going here? I missed the sign. God, that thing's in beautiful shape. They restored it. Watch out there behind you. 76 Johnson. 650 twin, brand new, never started. Another brand new snowmobile, never started. Wow, look how nice that is. 76 Johnson Model SR. 650. Look at that baby. That's pretty cool too. Wow. Storage compartment back there like my Kawasaki Invader had. Man, guy's got a whole manual of stuff here. I don't want to touch it and look through it. Roller flex. Apache 340. Yamaha engine. Hasn't been restored, but they put new skis and a seat on it. Boy, that's in nice shape. I think it said 2,800 miles. Now he's got a stocking hat, a helmet. Oh, he's even got a suit hanging here. Rolleiflex suit. There's the Kawasaki suit over here. You know, I got those hanging in my closet yet. I gotta pull that suit out. It's like an extra large. It's more of a darker blue than this. This is a little bit lighter. I got a darker blue one. I guess it would have been for the Invader. Probably the Invader suit it is. The LTDs were green, kinda, and pewter, and the Interceptor was black. Oh, look at a Thunderjet in here. An old Thunderjet. Oh, that baby beat Mike. That baby beat. Oh. It's all original. Haven't restored it yet. Well, mine would have fit right in here. God, I should have kept those things. I sold mine for $850. 440, a 75 440. Sold the jacket for $100. The new track for $200 that I got from Kalamazoo. Look at the Scorpion. This is what I got on the wall. Brad Hulling's Scorpion in that frame that's signed by him. This is the snowmobile. This 1980 Scorpion Snow Pro, 340 Snow Pro. Oh, that guy in Eagle River that I bought the snow twister from owns that Bob. Oh, that's a good looking sled. Oh, here's a snow twister down here. This is the only chaparral left of the 74 Snow Pro 440. They made one of 7. This is the only one left. Another cool chaparral. That's a 74. This is a 72. And there's 72. That's the independent front suspension they were starting to experiment with. Wow. 650 free air. Got it. Yeah. Check out the 440 Snow Twister, just like the one I had. Never raced. Look at that. Look at those things. That would have been a nice picture of my Thunderjet next to the Snow Twister. Freaking 1980 Polaris RXL Snow Cross. Must be they were kind of getting into the Snow Cross they were thinking back then. Way back in 80. I've never seen one of those. Oh, there's the suit I got. There's the Kawasaki suit I got hanging right behind the Snow Twister. Yeah, that's the one I got at home in extra large. Those bibs and that jacket. Boy, I think I had the boots too, and the mask at one time. Yeah, I got that same jacket, only not. Guys used to wear that to work. Those guys used to wear those jackets to work. Got a 71 SRX. 81 Tiger.